Hey there, Scott with SkipperBud's. This is one of our newest listings, a 1997 256 Monterey cruiser. See the boat's on a trailer, actually in very good shape. Sitting on a very nice trailer. Go ahead and jump up on board. You can see the trailer does come with a spare. On the outside, it looks like just a few little scratches here, but nothing major. Go ahead and hop on up in the boat here. Very nice layout here. Got the seats all tucked away. They actually fold out. The helm here. Got a Humminbird Helix 5 on it. Go ahead and sit down below here. Nice little cabin's got some life jackets already involved in here. Set up for sleeping back here. We got the Helix 5 box. Does have a microwave and a nice canvas for it. It's got the carpet for the cockpit right there. It's a great boat. This does convert into a berth. Got some fenders coming with the boat. Does come with a vacuum flush head, shower system as well. Yeah, like I said, great boat. Priced at $18,900. So, affordable day cruiser, weekender, or if even just out for a nap. So, it does have isinglass, you can see there, and a full cockpit cover as well. Got a nice little stove, refrigerator, sink. Got your main controls there. Yeah, there you have it. If you have any other questions, any other further interest, please give us a call. We're happy to assist.